Okay, so good on you for choosing the hard way to get at this problem. Now, this problem is actually quite exciting because we can think about it in terms of animals. Let's say that I have two paddocks. Okay, so this one paddock, and also next to it, I have another paddock which is twice as large. Okay, so say the area of this paddock is, let's say it is 10 hectares. Is 10 hectares, and the area of this paddock is 20 hectares. Okay, so say in this 10 hectare paddock I have two cows. Okay, and in this 20 hectare paddock I have also two cows, but I also have sheep. Okay, well, that's meant to be, it's meant to be a sheep, and that is also a sheep. And let's just draw a few more sheep in. And this one can also be a sheep. Okay, so in this left-hand side paddock, I have two cows per 10 hectares. And in this right-hand side paddock, I have two cows per 20 hectares, as well as 4 sheep per 20 hectares. Okay, so now what happens if I combine these two paddocks together? Okay, so if I get rid of this fence between them, what happens now? Okay, now the new total area or land area is going to be 30 hectares. Okay, the number of cows is now going to be 4 cows, and the number of sheep is now going to be also 4 sheep. Okay, so the concentration of sheep and cows in this new combined 30 hectare paddock is going to be different from the two concentrations that it was originally. Okay, so the final concentration of cows, okay, is going to be 4 cows per 30 hectares, and the final conc of sheep is going to be 4 sheep per 30 hectares. Okay, and if we want to divide this down, it's not very nice, but we can divide this down and express it in terms of 1 cow per something hectares, or we can express this in terms of just 1 hectare, and we can have point something of a cow. Okay, but this is essentially what's happening in this question, because we have two solutions. Okay, we have one solution which is 50 mils big. Okay, so one solution which is 50 mils, and in there there is a concentration of 50 millimolar of glycine, and we have another solution which is 100 mils, and in that contains glycine, so the cows, but it also contains NaCl, which is the sheep. Okay, so it contains 100 millimolar glycine, but it also contains 20 millimolar NaCl. Okay, so the first thing you need to do here is to convert this millimolar, or all these millimolars, into an actual number. Okay, into the actual number of glycine molecules. So it could be 25 micromoles or something in the 50 mils. And once you have these micromoles, you can add them together and find out how many sheep and how many cows you have in your combined paddock, and then divide by the final paddock area to get to your answer.